In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull together the right data, organize it clearly, and share it with your team so everyone stays aligned without digging through multiple sheets. We'll start right inside Smartsheet. From the left-hand navigation, click the plus Create button and choose Report. This opens the Report Builder, which is where you'll define what information you want to see and how you want it displayed. Next, choose the type of report. Pick Row Report if you need to gather individual rows from multiple sheets, like all tasks assigned to you across different projects. This is great for day-to-day execution and tracking. Choose Sheet Summary Report if you want to aggregate summary fields from many sheets, giving you portfolio-level insights such as overall budget, phase, or health status across projects. If you're unsure, think about whether you need row-level detail or high-level roll-ups. That decision determines the report type. Now define your source sheets. Select the sheets that hold the data you want to report on. You can add multiple sheets here, which is what makes reports so powerful. A quick tip: for row reports, consistent column names across sheets will help your report line up cleanly. For sheet summary reports, make sure the summary fields you care about exist in each sheet you've selected. Before we keep building, a quick note. If you need Smartsheet, there's a link at the top of the description that takes you directly to the website and download options so you can follow along. Back in the report builder, choose the columns you want to display. Keep it focused on what your audience needs. You can always add or remove columns later to refine the view. Then set your filter criteria to narrow the results. For example, filter where status is not complete or where due date is in the next 7 days. Filters help you surface only what matters right now and avoid clutter from old or irrelevant items. Use grouping and sorting to make the report easy to scan. Group by assigned to see work organized by owner, or by priority to see what's most critical. Then, sort ascending or descending to bring the most important rows to the top. Grouping and sorting turn a raw list into a structured overview. When everything looks good, click Save. Give your report a clear, descriptive name, and then share it with your team members so they can view the same live data. That's it. Your Smartsheet report is ready. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.